Whether you love it or hate it, AI is definitely not just a passing fad. It's basically part of the furniture now. If you've been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably noticed a lot more content that was at least partly made with artificial intelligence. I'm not here to start the ethics debate today, but I do want to make one very practical point. You aren't going to be replaced by AI. Instead, you might just get outpaced by the creator or business owner who learns how to use AI really well. Hey, I'm Brock. Think of me as that friend who constantly nerds out about social media strategy, and today I'm showing you a ridiculously practical workflow. We're turning about an hour and a handful of assets into roughly 100 Instagram posts using the power of AI. These ideas are framed for Instagram, but you can absolutely adapt this entire system for TikTok, X, YouTube Shorts, or whatever platform you prefer. Before we dive into the how, let's cover a quick mindset shift. AI is just a tool, plain and simple, like the printing press or the personal computer. It absolutely changes the game, but it doesn't automatically make winners out of everybody who touches it. If I hand a hammer to a toddler and then to an experienced carpenter, the results are going to look vastly different. Same with AI. Some people will use it to create amazing, meaningful work, while others will misuse it, and many won't use it at all. The core point is that if you aren't leveraging these tools right now, you are effectively handicapping yourself in our incredibly crowded creator economy. That said, you absolutely do not need to chase every single new app that comes out this week. If you pick one AI tool and commit to getting really good at it, you will leave the majority of your competitors in the dust. For me, that winning combo is usually ChatGPT paired with a single, reliable video editing tool. Lately, I've been recommending creators center their work around something that handles long-form to short-form edits automatically and also integrates with a content calendar. We have 2 quick habits that will seriously improve your AI game starting today. First, you must commit to daily play. Use AI every day in tiny ways, even if it's just for fun. The speed at which you learn little tricks and new features is directly proportional to how often you actually use the tool. Second, you need to actively be a learner. Consuming podcasts, YouTube breakdowns, and short tutorials keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so why are we even trying to crank out 100 posts in 1 hour? Because simply put, frequency drives growth, especially on platforms like Instagram. More consistent posting usually correlates with more followers and significantly higher engagement over time. It's not instantaneous or guaranteed, but as a general rule, volume paired with quality over time equals growth. So let's look at a clean workflow that perfectly mixes your human creativity with pure AI speed. And yes, I will mention some specific tools and discuss the pros and cons so you can choose what truly fits your personal workflow. Before we start the steps, here are the essential prerequisites you need to have ready to go. You need at least one piece of long-form content, like a podcast episode or a YouTube video, because that is absolute gold for clipping. If you don't have long-form content, no worries. You can still create about 60 to 70% of your ideas from short clips and repurposed posts. Next, gather 5 days worth of short clips. 5 to 10 quick clips per day is perfect for filling out your feed. Finally, collect your archive, any past posts, captions, or viral scripts you have, to help the AI mimic your specific voice. Step 1 is creating smart vlogs, which nets you about 5 posts right off the bat. If you use an app like CapCut, the Smart Vlog feature takes scattered short clips and auto-edits them into a cohesive short-form story. It handles transitions, picks the best highlights, and allows you to drop in music or a voiceover, making it perfect for behind-the-scenes content. Step 2 is the long-form auto-clipper, where you can easily pull out about 30 posts from just one long video. Tools like Opus Clip and Munch shine here. They take a 20 to 60-minute video and automatically chop it into dozens of potential reel clips. Opus Clip often features slicker transitions and a handy virality score feature to flag the highest potential moments. Munch, on the other hand, is solid for SEO and excels with multi-language support, making it great for teams. Even with these powerful clippers, you absolutely still need a human eyeball to review and select the final clips. Here is where a platform like Vizard shows its unique angle by bundling instant scheduling and a content calendar into the same workflow. Instead of exporting clips and then jumping between apps to schedule them, Vizard lets you pick, caption, and slot it right onto the calendar. It's not just about cutting the video, it's about turning those cuts into a truly continuous automated posting engine. If you care about consistency, this streamlined process saves an enormous amount of time compared to bouncing between tools. So far, after smart vlogs and auto clipping, we are already at about 35 posts, and we haven't even touched ChatGPT yet. Step 3 involves using ChatGPT to generate all your short, punchy scripts for talking head reels, adding about 15 more posts. Give the AI a tight prompt, include your niche, target audience, the desired hook length, your natural tone, and a clear call to action. Always ask for about 5 script options per prompt. Evaluate those, and then feel free to iterate and ask for more. I often have ChatGPT produce 5 initial scripts, then I refine the tone and expand the request to get 15 solid talking head ideas. You can also use ChatGPT for motivational microposts that you can easily style later inside a graphic design tool. It's also great for generating meme text and layout ideas, even if the final visual pairing often needs a human touch. Ask it for Instagram carousel outlines, providing slide-by-slide copy for an entire educational sequence. A major trick is feeding ChatGPT a folder of your old captions or transcripts and asking it to generate fresh variations in your consistent voice. If you grab 15 talking head scripts, plus 10 quote posts and 10 carousel outlines, you're now approaching 65 posts total. Step 4 focuses on meme and carousel production, which can easily add another 10 to 15 high shareability posts. Memes are incredibly shareable and very cheap to produce when you leverage AI for the witty caption part. For carousels, simply feed ChatGPT your core topic and ask it for a slide-by-slide breakdown, including the hook and the final call to action. Pro tip, use ChatGPT's text generation, but for the actual visuals, stick to a human-designed Canva template for a more polished look. At this point in the batching process, you should easily be sitting around 80 total posts ready to go. Step 5 covers faceless voiceover and B-roll reels, which can contribute the final 20 posts to our goal. Tools capable of voice cloning can create quality narration and even avatars, which is useful when you want to scale voice content rapidly. The main downside here is that voice cloning can sometimes sound robotic, and creators often worry about the ethics of authenticity. Avatar tools are neat for demos, but their video realism is still limited, as the lip sync and micro-expressions can often feel just a little bit off. Generative video tech can produce eye-catching B-roll from text prompts, but it's still experimental and can be hit or miss depending on your brief. This is where a platform like Vizard stands out again by focusing on making the best parts of your real content shine. It supports faceless formats by extracting great voiceover clips and pairing them perfectly with stock or your own B-roll footage. Combine that extraction, editing, captioning, and auto-scheduling into one system, and you have an unbeatable pipeline. Now, let's look at a few honest comparisons between the top tools in this space. CapCut is great for on-the-go editing and smart vlogs, but you still have to manually export and handle the scheduling separately. Opus Clip and Munch are excellent long-form clipping engines, but neither natively includes a built-in scheduling calendar that handles multi-platform posting. Tools focused on generated visuals, like those using deepfake or avatar tech, can be cool but often suffer from variable realism or high cost. Vizard's key advantage isn't perfection, but the combined editing, scheduling, and calendar approach rolled into one integrated service. It's truly built for creators aiming to turn their long-form assets into a predictable, automated short-form publishing machine. For final setup, you absolutely do not need to master every single tool available on the market. Instead, pick one reliable editing tool and one powerful text generation tool to be your core stack. My simple recommendation is pairing a long-form clipper with ChatGPT for all your script and caption needs. Always remain playful with the technology. Use AI for experiments, not just for brute force efficiency. Test weird prompts, try unexpected meme tones, and keep that essential human curiosity alive throughout the process. Start small by just taking one single episode or 1 week of clips and trying to batch out 30 to 50 posts from it. Measure what actually worked well from that small batch, and then immediately double down on those successful angles. Here's the simple hour-long flow that I personally use for scaling my own content output. Drop your long-form content into your preferred clipper, let it auto-detect the highlight moments, and grab the best 20 to 30 clips. Then, run those through a quick human edit or a smart vlog touch-up to create about 10 to 15 polished pieces. Use ChatGPT to generate the 15 talking head scripts and the 10 necessary text posts or carousels to support the clips. Finally, use your integrated scheduler or calendar tool to queue everything up for the next several weeks. And just like that, you are done. You genuinely do not have to be an AI expert to win in this space. You just need to be consistently AI curious. Pick one tool, get really good at maximizing its potential, and then use that power to make more high-quality posts in less time. Go try out one of the prompts we discussed, chop one long video, and schedule the immediate outputs right away. Play with the results, tweak what needs adjusting, and aggressively scale up only what you measure as working best for you. All right, now it's your turn to go make something impactful, post more frequently, measure everything, and have fun with it. And if you're trying to keep your sanity while scaling your content, tools that combine auto-clipping with a built-in calendar seriously smooth out your life.